Picture perfect 3-bedroom, 2.5 BTH, no fee, turnkey townhomew/garage 7 parking in Ghent. Steps to all your favorite places. Higher ceilings, wood floors on first level west/crown molding, French doors, transoms for a lot of light and more. Dining area with kit bar, French doors to deck and garage in rear. 2 additional king spaces in BK. Large primary suite comprises whole second FL, west/amazing walk-in closet and spa like BTH. 2 spacious bdrms on third level with hall BTH. New carpet, new paint and fixtures. Perfect condition and ready for new buyer.